Okay, so this is how we use QWIKboard with a light board, if you will. You can see in front of me, I have the lightboard glass. The video input for the video camera is I'm recording that in OBS Studio, and I have that horizontally flipped so that the application looks like it's facing you. And I'm going to write from behind and illustrate that diagram. And I can easily do that like this. I can circle that big box. I can talk to this triangle. I can look at the developer stack over here and illustrate using a pink marker with my audience. Now I also have a couple different users that are using the same exact diagram with me. One user on a desktop is using the color green, and they might circle something here and say, hey, what about this feature over here? And this, I don't really, I'm going to illustrate this because I don't understand it. And so that's user number 2. And now user number 3 is on a completely different device. In fact, it's a tablet with a pencil. He's going to use, or he or she, or him or they is going to use the color blue, right? We can see that there. But then this user might be saying, well, I'm working on the repository over here. Let's chat a little bit about that. So you can see I've got 3 different users using the same illustration along with my Revolution lightboard or any lightboard in general. But the time will come when you're finished with that diagram and now you simply want to talk about another one. So you've got another one pasted in here, and I could reduce the size of that a little bit. And then I jump back to my lightboard. I can erase all of this from the previous screen and keep on going. So I'll grab the color yellow, and on my lightboard here in front of me, I'll draw, and you can see how that gets, lights up, and I can talk about certain things and illustrate them. And if I wanted to, I could circle that thing, and then we can talk about stuff up here if I wanted to. And at the same time, I have my interactive users that are remote. They can scroll up with me and using the same color, illustrate things. Right? So let's talk about this over here. And now that was the remote user using a web browser on their desktop or laptop with a mouse. And now for the user over here with the tablet, similarly, can scroll up, pick a pen color. In this case, we'll use blue again, and we'll talk about some things here. Highlight them. So what we have now is 3 interactive users using more than one illustration in the session, and collaborating and illustrating and talking about. That's a great way for a great demo to use QWIKboard with a lightboard. Have fun with it.